Chevy Blazer will replace the headlight. These is the headlight on both sides. These are daytime running lights. If you want these to run during the nighttime, there is actually a module you can put up in there to do that, but we're not doing that today. So the headlight works, it's just really dim, or at night it's dim. So we're going to try some LEDs. Got two different brands here to look from. I'll put stuff in the description. We just want to see if they're brighter, but how do you get them changed out? I like to turn the wheels inward on the side that I'm changing, so we're on the driver's side, so I turn it to the right. I popped out this clip here that goes right here, and this 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. So this is a little clip I popped out that slides up in there. Your goal is to pop the center up out here, and then you have the 4 Torx screws. It is a T15 Torx is what you need, the little star bit thing that you know all about there. There's the bit for that. Then inside you have and I've already popped this out, this sits back in behind this little seal here. You can use a screwdriver, or I just used a seal pick to pop that out. Pull it back. I'm doing this one-handed, so it's going to be kind of shaky here. So there's a metal bracket that sits up in here. I'm going to slide this up in here so you can see it. The bracket, it's this bracket you're going to find in there. There are 3 10 millimeters and 3 7 millimeters that go up in there. Shop's full, so I'm doing this outside here to get this done. So here's the 7 millimeters. There's a third one around here I've lost, and I'll put back in, and the 3 10 millimeters. As you slide up in here, I was just kind of looking for the other bolt. I'll find it here in a second. Oh, there it is over here. Okay, so once you get in here, you got this cover on here. When it sits up on there, it says top. It's going to sit top and bottom. There's your drains. When you have this sitting in here, try and do this one-handed here. Headlights on. This will sit up in here and point this way, and then you'll twist it to the left, and it'll pop free, and that'll come out. There's your headlight there. Let's shut the headlights off before we actually change it. Okay, I was going to try and do this as a short, but I'm not going to have enough time, so that's why we're doing a regular video on this. Okay, so there's that. So press this clip here. And push that clip down with your thumb and wiggle, 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 and it will pop free. And then you got this white clip back here. You turn to the left. There's your headlight assembly popping out. So all you're going to do here is, now you see the opening is on the bottom, and there's your plug. Let's see, and this white clip has to slide off and be reused. So just be mindful of its orientation to the plug. So you see where it's sitting there? Let me try and set this down and see if I can keep it running here. Alright, so here's the clip. I have no idea if this is going to be, you can see this, but slide it off. It just came right off. I'm going to start with this bulb here, which is the Mars Auto HID light. It's an LED light. And I'm going to put this back on. And remember, so keep orientation. Goes just like this, and the open side goes towards the headlight. LED, but don't touch that anyhow. These things can get hot, as I understand. I've never actually tried to feel one. And then you'll slide that back on like here. And now I'm going to put it back in, and I'm going to reverse the process, and we're going to try it. So I'm going to leave this running and see if I can't just get this back up in here fairly quickly. And twist this to the side. Okay. And turn it back to the right. I guess. Okay, we'll walk back in there now. I want you to see this. Got that back up in there. I'm going to plug our plug back in. And let's see, I don't know if we're going to have any flickering problems or not. So let's try it now. Let's see it. Is it truly brighter? Okay. All right. So yeah, that's pretty bright. All right. Let's go to the other side. If you can't remember. So there's that side there. Not too bad. And then let's go over here. Okay, that is brighter. Now I've got another brand bulb here. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in that I had hold of. This is the, yeah, right. Yeah, we'll just call it a potato light. LED Lights, Global Automotive Parts Experts. And they have their light assembly here. And they have some dip switches to help control flickering if flickering's a problem. And this is supposed to be brighter. So if you want to hang on with me,